I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Supreme Grind Burr Grinder. It's great, especially if you are a coffee lover. It's important to grind your beans right before you're brewing your coffee for the freshest, most flavorful cup. This product is really interesting because you can set it for anywhere from 4 to 18 cups by sliding the bar. And what happens is when you hit start, it will grind exactly the right amount of coffee that you need for your coffee maker. The other thing that's nice is it's a half-pound hopper, which is removable. So is the lid. So you just pour your beans right in, put the lid on. And I should also mention this is the removable chamber that holds the ground beans. It holds up to enough coffee for 32 cups. You just choose your size and you hit the power bar. And today I'm just going to choose 4. You hit start and it's automatically going to grind the exact amount of beans that you want. But something I should mention is that it goes from fine just by twisting this all the way to coarse. And fine is used for espresso and coarse would be used for things like French press. Today I'm going to put it on medium and I'm just going to hit start. And there you have it. And then all you do is you remove the chamber in the front here. You don't even have to remeasure your coffee. You just put it right into the filter and you'll have a beautiful, fresh and flavorful cup of coffee by using the burr grinder.
We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is NutriBullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The NutriBullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the NutriBullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is NutriBullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the NutriBullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The NutriBullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The NutriBullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. NutriBullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
blender with texture select settings gives you a whole new level of control. Select the perfect blend with your desired consistency. Choose your texture from thick to medium to thin. The extra wide blade system reverses direction for more consistent results. Control thickness. Whatever consistency you need, the Oster blender with texture select settings does it every time. Texture select settings. Only from Oster.
Why Blendtec? We believe in our blenders, so you can too.
We want to have the best in the world so people can be healthy and happy.
Every Blendtec is made in Utah with pride, passion, and purpose. All are backed by the longest warranties and the most caring customer service in the business.
8-year warranty, can't beat it.
We just want people to be as thrilled with their Blendtec as we are, and people are thrilled. Just read the blogs or ask someone who owns a Blendtec. They all have a story to tell about how it made a difference in their lives. From helping their family get healthier to helping their business thrive.
It's delicious.
Blendtec has been a company you can count on to keep innovating, and that's the kind of company we try to align with.
This is my retirement right here.
Obviously, the real strength of Blendtec goes way beyond watts and horsepower. It's in all the amazing things that Blendtec enables you to do.
Here you go, waitress.
I just like it in the smoothie.